Alright, let's do the cleaning. Supplied with your Silex toaster is a nylon high temperature spatula. Inside the machine you have the sandwich frame, as you can see here. And we also send you a bottle of the Diversi Lever Sumo Extend D3 grill cleaner. This is the only approved cleaner to use with your Silex grill because it is aluminium friendly. There's very few chemicals on the market that comply with the requirements to clean the grill. So when you're going to clean the machine, obviously you're going to put it into the cleaning mode, which is the program that would be number 10 with a cleaning symbol, like so. There you can see we have the grill in a cleaning mode. Just waiting for the camera to focus. Alright, once we've done that, the next thing you will do is to remove any excess food. So you remove the sandwich frame. This is a spacer that is used to keep the platen from squashing the bread. You remove that and you take your spatula and then basically scrape out all excess fluids that are or food that's in the grill surface. The same, you scrape any excess food that's on the top, take that away. Alright, you'll see that the grill has a drip tray at the back, and there's a little spout here where fats and things like that can be squeegeed away. The next thing you would do is, once you've removed all the excess food and things like that, you would take a cotton cloth and then wipe the grill surface so that all the excess things are removed, that the grill is dry. You could also use a paper towel for that. Just bear in mind, make sure that the grill has cooled down sufficiently so that you do not burn yourself. That's quite important. The same thing, wipe the top, remove all the excess fats and things like that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply the cleaner. Alright. It is very important that the grill cools down to about 60 to 70 degrees Celsius before you apply any of the cleaning chemical. The reason we do that is because the cleaning chemical is heat activated and it only works at the correct temperature. If you put it on sooner and it's too hot, the cleaning chemical will just burn off, and it will not lift the residue fats, etc. on the grill. So you will evaporate the chemical as opposed to using the chemical. So the applicator has a foamer on it. So basically you squirt your chemical on. Okay, this one, we haven't used it for a while. There we go. Same here. Okay, obviously we haven't got any dirt on the grill, so it's not going to lift anything. But what you can do is, you can at this point in time close the grill and allow the chemical to steep, and basically it's going to release all the carbon from the platen. If you have used the grill during the day and you haven't cleaned it, wiped it during the course of the day, then you're going to have a far higher amount of time that you will use to clean the grill at the end of the day, and it will take longer for the grill to get clean. So the best is clean the grill as you go during the course of the day and wipe any of the fats and residue food off during the course of the day instead of leaving it to the end. Alright, once the grill has been standing and the fats have been cleaned off, you then take a damp cloth and you then basically wipe the fat that's lifted, the residue, and push it all to the back. Like I said, our grill is clean, there's no carbon and fat to lift off, so basically there's not much going to happen here. You won't see any of the brown fats lifting, that type of thing, and you basically clean the grill like here. I'm trying to get spots where you can see how here on the edge how it lifts the carbon, and basically you clean the grill surface so that it's all the fats, all the carbon that might be there, the margarine or butter from a sandwich, all that is lifted and gone. And if need be, you repeat the process to make sure that the grill is clean. Alright, we're not dunking it with water. We're using a wet, damp cloth and rinsing it as we go. You can also wipe the bottom here and base. Alright, so you continue doing this until all the chemical is gone, all the fat is gone, like so, like I'm doing. You can also, if there's any fat on the top, wipe it with some of the chemical. The idea is not to dunk it. Don't make the whole world wet. But anywhere where there is grease or something like that, clean it nicely and keep the grill clean. Better is during the course of the day, keep it clean, wipe fats off and away so that you keep the grill clean during the day, and it makes the cleaning at night or close of service a lot easier. You can also use a little bit of water like this and just flow all the residue of the chemical away. It goes into the back where the drip tray is, and it keeps the grill surface clean of chemicals. You can hear there all the water going into the back, into the drip tray, and voila, nice and clean. Alright, so use your cloth and wipe the rest of the moisture away. And then basically use a dry cloth to clean the grill. Make sure okay, I'm just going to use a dry cloth to wipe everything down. Okay, there we go. And voila. There you go. You've got a clean grill ready for the next service. The wire frame you can also clean and stick it in a dishwasher or a sink, just stainless steel. You can wash that nicely. Okay, that goes back like so for the toasties. And last but not least is remove the drip tray at the back, and you can go and clean this in the sink, wash out all the fat and that type of thing to keep it clean. there's our grill, nice and clean, ready for the next service. And that concludes our cleaning session.